Shout out mga kalaagan. Dito tayo sa loob ng city ngayon. Tignan natin yung mga view dito. Yan.
After 50 meters, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Hamgarten.
Talagang pinag-deliver ako sa loob.
Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Ay.
In 400 meters at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Kungsgatan.
Yes, I know. Oh. Tawid. Ganun sila dito, guys. Priority yung pedestrian line. Ay. Bayan ng Eskilstuna. Tapos ang delivery natin isang palita lang. Oh, wow.
After 300 meters, go left on the roundabout and take the second exit, Kungsgatan.
Nandito, guys, Europa more. Pasyal tayo sa loob ng Eskilstuna, Stockholm. Yung nagapulot nila, oh. Kompleto uniform.
Go left on the roundabout and take the second exit, Kungsgatan.
City. Oops. Mag-signal ka naman. Signal ka, boy. Alam mo, nasa city tayo eh. City tayo.
In 600 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Sveavägen.
Ang stress street trucks lang, Polkista. City talaga. Small city to, small city ng Sweden. Yan. Nandito na tayo sa looban talaga.
After 300 meters, cross the roundabout and take the first exit, Sveavägen.
Ay, nobo tayo ah. Yung delivery natin nandito talaga sa looban. Tapos isang palita lang, 3 minutes. Tignan natin kung paano tayo maka-unload.
Cross the roundabout and take the first exit, Sveavägen.
Yun. Malapit na tayo mga kalaagan.
Exit the roundabout onto Sveavägen.
Oh my God.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Vardgaten.
Ilan to? 3.6. 3.6 Stop, stop, stop. Copy pag may time. Malapit na. Ayos din na. Kaya pala hinitog mga kalagan kasi nasa sintrom talaga.
After 200 meters, turn left, Bodgarten, then turn right.
Take the next left onto Vardgaten,
Turn
then
left,
turn right to stay
then
on
turn
Vardgaten.
right.
Ayos yung delivery, ayos.
Turn right to stay on Vardgaten, then your destination will be on the left.
Bargatan.
Turn right, Bodgarten, then you have reached your destination.
Rest destination. Saan kaya dito? Ito.
You have reached your destination.
Your destination is on the left.
Ito nga. Problema nito. Ang hirap i-maneuver to. Yun, no? Okay, mga kalagan, dumating na tayo. Sige, bye.